Done. Start.
Yes, so there are many ways to greet people in Chinese. Like we use them in our Chinese every day. Good morning, good evening, and good night. Hello, how are you? These words are very important. So in our classes, in our first classes, we will discuss about it. Like in English, we say good morning. In Chinese, we say 早上好. "早上好"早上好 like that we say in English. How are you? In Chinese we say 你好 like that we say 你好吗 like we say in Chinese 我是学生我是学生 I am a student. Okay, like that using the sentence. It's like about 是 how to use 是 is am are. We must remember one thing, is am are in Chinese we only use 是 we just use 是 this is like 是 okay, like that. When we are using in English, like you say he is very happy, in Chinese how would we say that? 他很高兴 他很高兴 he is very happy. Okay, so here is the way to tell how to use adjective in Chinese. We will not use there 是 we just use 很我很高兴 okay, so this is the way we will study about the words and all, and how to make a simple structural sentences. Okay,